Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia classic espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the steamer one, the one that you see right here. This is the older one, this is the newer one. Some of these parts were worn out, so we replaced that with a newer one. And what else we did? We also descaled this machine. Put a bunch of descaler into it, later on to the group head, later on to the steamer one as well, and also backflush this machine. So we did a little bit of things, but nothing too crazy, just regular maintenance on it. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Then we're gonna use the steamer. As you can see, nice layer of crema coming out of the shot. Really great quantity, working really good. Nice flow coming out of the group head as well, and like I say, nice shot of espresso as well. Now let's do some steam. Which was the main issue with this machine. We're gonna wait for the steamer to heat up and build up some pressure. But once the steamer, the boiler thermoblock, the thermoblock that is inside here gets up to temperature, we're gonna see the machine producing steam through the one. Okay, that is done. That means it's ready. As you can see, we got nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure, working really good. This will definitely microfoam any milk that you have. It will just work well. Will work well. And you can see it, nice steady steam. Good. Let's refill the boiler a bit more as well. So that way we can test the water in this machine. As you can see, we got a nice steady steam coming out of it. The one as well. Great. Nice steady shower coming out of the group head as well. Working excellent. And there you have it, Gaggia Classic working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.